As a mindset, entrepreneurship has been around for decades. In fact, in 1910, Wallace D Wattles wrote one of the most influential books on the subject of achieving one's goals. The Science of Getting Rich is a book written for the purpose of achieving your goals in life, and its alluring title is Only the Beginning. Written around the beginning of the last century, it might be a challenging read, but it contains some golden concepts that, once incorporated into your daily routine, can alter your life forever. If you want to succeed in life, Wallace D Wattles recommends the following 11 principles. Obtaining financial success means realizing one's full potential. All of us have our money issues, but it shouldn't stop you from achieving financial success if you set your mind to it. Money may be a stepping stone on the path to become who you want to be, which is why it is an essential component of success. Making your life more prosperous and abundant allows you to realize your greatest potential. The very best thing you can do for the whole world is to make the most of yourself. Wallace D Wattles. The opportunities are endless. If you allow yourself to believe that everything is possible, you'll be able to consider options that are outside of your current sphere of experience. Visualize your goals as being achievable. After that, you need to enlarge your horizons. Thinking and doing lead to achievement. Just the act of contemplating what it is you want to be, do, and have in life can open your eyes to the possibilities that exist to make those things a reality. To succeed, you must recognize opportunities and follow them. To get what you want, you must be clear on what it is you want, why you want it, and most of all, you must become utterly committed to seeing it through. Create, don't compete. All of humanity can live comfortably on our planet. There is no reason to strive against others for anything. The world's wealth is already abundant enough. You don't have to steal, cheat, or take advantage of others to get what you want. All you have to do is put your mind and willpower to work. Learn to create, rather than compete. Make an investment. It's good practice to give more to others than you expect to receive in return. Over-delivering is what happens when expectations are exceeded. People will want to do business with you or buy from you if this is how you operate, since they are naturally drawn to people or businesses from which they can benefit. Gratitude. Being thankful for what you currently have opens your heart and mind to attaining that which you don't have. According to the second universal rule of physics, for every action, there is an equal reaction. Stop thinking negatively. Everything you think about comes into existence because of the vast power of your thoughts. As a result, it's crucial to monitor your thoughts for any signs of skepticism, denial, or pessimism. Successful people always think positively. Let go of any lingering worries you may have about obtaining what it is you want. A word of caution: watch what you say. Never use negative language about yourself, your life, or anything else. Do your best in whatever you do. Everything you do should be done without exception to the best of your abilities. Make the most of every day by accomplishing as much as possible. You can advance only by being larger than your present place, and no man is larger than his present place who leaves undone any of the work pertaining to that place. Wallace D Wattles. You don't need to hurry. You don't have to rush things. In the realm of creativity, no one can possibly outdo you. Do not rush. When we are rushed, when we are uncertain, or when we are afraid, we make mistakes. If you're in a hurry, take a deep breath and focus on being grateful for the fact that you're about to obtain what you want. Because of this, your belief is renewed, and your drive is reignited. Don't stress out about how you'll get through obstacles. In the course of your activities, you will inevitably face challenges that threaten to damage your progress. You may be facing imaginary or actual roadblocks. Don't worry about the specifics of how you'll overcome an obstacle before even encountering it. Failure is what you make it to be. In the event that something doesn't go according to plan, try not to let disappointment get to you. It may seem like a loss, but if you keep having faith in yourself, you'll see that failure is merely apparent. Despite how things may look now, something much greater is on its way to you that will turn that failure into a success. However, it all entirely depends on yourself. You must take deliberate action to achieve success. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Suggest other video ideas in the comments below.